folks, if you were watching this video, you'll have seen I painted the grill bracket, the two handle brackets, two handles, and the barbecue with handles are red, the rest is all barbecue paint black. I also will probably give this a quick polish on the outside because there's really no reason to polish the inside because nobody's ever going to see it. It's kind of flimsy. I mean, I don't know. I feel like I should make one of stainless steel. Fold it up and because it's not even, the corners are not even welded. It's just all, sorry, I don't know, it's stamped. But yeah, it's good for now. I'm going to clean this up, and I still got this last piece to either polish up or just clean. I don't know, I might put on the buffer and just polish it, make it look nice. I mean, why not? Then after that's all back together, the bottom brackets that hold the wooden blocks are next. See, this block is all, I'm guessing because it was like this. This is the way it was attached to the bottom. I'm guessing thanks to the heat of hibachi, the piece of wood caught on fire. So I'm going to try to remedy that by, see, because this is the original, let's see if I can show you this. The original bracket on the bottom looked something like this. If I can hold it there, I'll show you. See, they were about an inch off the bottom. I'll make it about 1.5 inches, but I'll make the wood wider to make up for the possibility of flipping it over. I'm probably going to make this out of a, wait, I'll show you. I have a ton of this stuff. Where is it? I will show you. Either this, or actually this right here would be better. I have lots of flat bar, so I'm thinking it's about I don't know, a little bit wider. Actually, how wide is this thing? Let me get a tape measure. Let me get a tape measure. I don't know where all my tape measures went, but let's see. That's a 1/2 inch, and this is 1 inch. I have a 3/4 inch flat bar somewhere. I have a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. I'm thinking 1 inch might be great. Again, I'll bend it up, just give it 2 bends, bend it, and then pop some holes in it, and boom, be done. Make it this length. I have to figure out how long it is and how much to bend and much excess. And maybe I'm going to make, instead of making the tabs like ugly squares, I'll make nice little round, make it look all pretty and shit. So, and I'll probably hit this with some high heat barbecue paint or some high heat paint of some sort. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. And yeah, if you haven't smashed the like button or kissed it or licked it, or if you have a touch screen, you know, use your finger and go on the like button, please do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And hello folks, this is the hibachi pieces I painted. This is one of them. This is the other piece right here. This right here is with high heat paint. It looks like, can't really see the bottom, but it's slowly drying. Apparently according to the bottle, chemical burns off. And right here you can see the new fresh red handles, another one, but no point showing you 2 of them. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. I've painted the body, painted 2 handles, and painted all the little hardware, and we'll move on to rebuilding the bottom. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and maybe in a couple more days I'll be done with this thing. Yay!